Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you about the summaries. I had finished grading the first graded for 24 points with a rubric summaries, and some of you had missed the author's main points and the supporting points. And honestly, if you had done the reading process guide, you should have gotten those. And if you struggle, please let me know when I'm here to help. I want to take you to the summary and essay help, and I want to go through and I want to show you in the summary an example. So the critical reading journal should really help guide you step by step through that process. So the first thing that we want to remember is that this you don't have to do in your summary, but it allows you to understand what's her main point. Remember that we have to have a tag, a title, an author, and a genre. So in chapter 1 of Mindsets, Carol Dweck states, because we've given credit to the author here, Dweck, in this sentence, all we need is the page number. Down here you can see that we didn't, so we have to put Dweck and 3. That's exactly what it should look like. And then finally, you have all of this running together, the author's main points, supporting points. Remember that you do not need to put your opinion in here. I do care about your opinion, but not in the summary. And you don't need to make announcements like I'm going to give you the summary or things like that. I do hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.